If you don't go from away this video, that means you love it. Alright? Share it, comment, and write in the comment where you're watching from. Alright, thank you. Today we are going to learn together different ways we can pronounce the letter A. Okay? There are 9 ways we can pronounce the letter A. Number 1, about, alone, aloof. Number 2, car, father, bar. Number 3, herb, bird, bird. Number 4, all, wall, tall, shawl. Alright? Number 5, sound, many, anyway, any. Alright? Number 6, 8 sound, private, message. Alright? Number 7, what, wash, wad. Alright? Number 8, yeah, the true pronunciation of the letter R is A, in the alphabet. A, make, shake, blade. Number 9, sound, burr. Alright, teacher Blanc, share, comment, and write in the comment where you're watching from. Thank you so much. See you next time.